Good morning, children. Hi, how are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine and doing all your practical life exercises. Okay, this week we are going to do practical life exercises with these elastic bands. Okay, you call these elastic bands as rubber bands also. Okay, rubber bands or elastic bands. Now, when I say elastic, there is a kind of stretchability for this. Do you see that? Okay. So for this activity, Mama will have to collect some bands like this. Okay? Thin bands. And you need something in your hand for putting the elastic. So I have used here a tissue roll, or you can even use small bottles which you can hold in your hand. Okay? Now I am going to show you how I am going to band this. Take one. Okay, and put away the others this side. Okay. Now I am going to take this band between the three fingers. Do you see that? And put one side. Pull and stretch and put it. Okay. Now we will go for one more. Get it in your hand like this, like a triangle. Okay. Put one side. Just one side enough. Stretch and pull it to other side. Okay. You see that? Like that, you can put as many bands as you can. M1 children, you can count your bands after putting. You can count 1, 2, 3, like that you can do your counting. Okay, please do that. So like I said, you can do the banding on anything that you get, not anything that you see around the house, but what mummy allows you to do. So it can be a small water bottle. Okay, little by little you must know something, that what are these rubber bands used for? These rubber bands are used for keeping things together. For example, let's say we have cards like this. Yes, they're all lying scattered. How about keeping them together? Will it be a nice idea? So what can I do? I will take a rubber band, okay, put it between my three fingers, okay, and put this away. See, one end. I told you, always one end. Start from one end, pull it down. After you moved it, you can bring it to the center. One will be enough for this. Okay, here you practice. So you can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ever you want you can put. But for banding things together, one will be enough. 1 or 2, that's all, maximum. Let's say for example, Miss Soundarya, she brought me these spindles. Okay, if I want to keep them together, what can I do? Yes, I'll have to use the elastic band. Bring it between my fingers like a triangle. One end, okay, one end, pull down, that's all. Now you see, when I put here, this side may come off. So what should I do? I should put on this end also, right? So I'll take another band, bring it between my fingers. Okay, can you see it? We've banded it together. Okay, so this will be a very, very interesting activity. In the beginning, it is going to be difficult for you. You might not be able to hold in your left hand, you may not be able to hold in your right hand, may not be able to pull. So first we will start doing like this. Okay, just take one long candle like this. Even a candle is okay, or some bottle like this. I've taken a tissue roll, and you have to just keep banding as much as possible on your own. Okay, after you have done it, you just pull it out. Okay, now because this is an exercise, so you're pulling it out and you will remove. That's all, you have to remove it. Will you try doing it? This is very important for your fingers, children. You have to do all these movements for your fingers. So you would have seen mommy and daddy doing exercises in the morning, or sometimes they will be doing yoga or meditation, is it not? Some exercise, walking. Now you have to do something for your fingers, right? Your fingers have started writing now. M1 children are writing 1, 2, 3 and ABCDs, and pre-born children have started writing standing line, sleeping line. So we have to give exercise for our fingers. So this will be the best way for you to start doing exercises. Take out things and start banding it. Okay? Okay children, see you again in another video of exercises of practical life. Until then, bye bye.